Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're whisked away to the dazzling Greek Isles, specifically the captivating island of Santorini. Known for its iconic blue-domed churches perched atop volcanic cliffs, Santorini is a dream destination. The sunsets over the Aegean Sea are nothing short of breathtaking, painting the sky in a kaleidoscope of colors. Every year, travelers flock to this island paradise, drawn in by its undeniable charm and beauty. But what if I told you there's more to Santorini than meets the eye? What if I told you that beyond the well-trodden paths and crowded tourist spots lie hidden gems waiting to be discovered? That's exactly what we'll be exploring today. While those iconic Santorini images are undeniably stunning, there's a whole other side to this island, one that's brimming with authenticity and local charm. We're going to venture beyond the postcard-perfect views to uncover the heart and soul of Santorini. Get ready to discover secret beaches tucked away from the crowds, where you can relax on pristine shores and soak up the Mediterranean sun in peace. We'll also delve into the island's rich history and culture, exploring ancient ruins that whisper tales of a bygone era. From the cobblestone streets of charming villages to the flavors of traditional cuisine, we'll immerse ourselves in the true essence of Santorini. So, if you're ready to trade crowded viewpoints for off-the-beaten-path adventures, join me as we embark on a journey of discovery. This is your insider's guide to Santorini's hidden gems, where you'll experience the island like a locale and create memories that will last a lifetime. Get ready to be amazed by the unexpected beauty and authentic charm that awaits us. Let's dive in and uncover the secrets of Santorini together. Our first stop on this journey takes us away from the bustling crowds to the heart of authentic Santorini. Tucked away from the well-trodden tourist trails lie villages where time seems to have stood still. These villages offer a glimpse into the island's rich history and traditional way of life. Imagine strolling through narrow, winding streets lined with whitewashed houses adorned with colorful bougainvillea. The scent of freshly baked bread wafts through the air, inviting you into a local bakery. Friendly locals greet you with warm smiles, eager to share their stories and traditions. These are the moments that truly capture the essence of Santorini. One such village that embodies this timeless charm is Pyrgos. Perched atop a hill, Pyrgos offers breathtaking panoramic views of the island.
Once the capital of Santorini, Pyrgos boasts a rich history dating back to the Venetian era. Its narrow, labyrinthine streets are a joy to explore, leading you past charming cafes, traditional tavernas, and artisan shops.
Be sure to visit the ruins of the Venetian castle, which stand as a testament to the village's historical significance. As you wander through the ancient archways and climb the weathered stone steps, you can almost feel the presence of the past. Another hidden gem that should be on every traveler's list is Megalochori. This charming village is renowned for its architectural beauty, with its traditional houses, churches and mansions built in the distinctive Cycladic style. Get lost in the maze of narrow alleyways and discover hidden courtyards adorned with colorful flowers. The village is also known for its wine-making tradition, with several wineries offering tours and tastings. Here, you can sample the unique flavors of Santorini's volcanic wines while enjoying the tranquility of the surrounding vineyards. Now let's talk about those hidden beaches. Santorini is famous for its stunning coastline, but beyond the popular and often crowded shores lie secluded havens.
These secret beaches offer a sense of tranquility and natural beauty. They are perfect for escaping the crowds and immersing yourself in the serenity of the Aegean Sea.
Imagine relaxing on soft, volcanic sands, listening to the gentle lapping of waves and soaking up the warm Mediterranean sun. These hidden coves offer a sense of privacy and exclusivity, allowing you to truly unwind and connect with nature's beauty.
So, grab your swimsuit, sunscreen, and adventurous spirit as we uncover these hidden gems of Santorini's coastline.
Our first stop takes us to the southern coast of Santorini, where we discover the striking beauty of Vlčada Beach. Unlike the white or red sands found elsewhere on the island, Vlčada is characterized by its unique black volcanic sand. The dark hues create a dramatic contrast against the turquoise waters, making for an unforgettable sight. But Vlčada is more than just a pretty face. The beach is also home to impressive lunar-like cliffs, sculpted by centuries of wind and wave erosion. These towering formations add to the otherworldly atmosphere of the place, making you feel like you've stepped onto another planet. Next, we venture to the southeastern coast of Red Beach. This secluded cove is renowned for its striking red and black volcanic cliffs that plunge dramatically into the azure waters. The vibrant colors are a result of the island's volcanic history, creating a surreal and breathtaking landscape. To reach Red Beach, you'll need to take a short hike. The trail winds its way through the rugged terrain, offering glimpses. As you descend towards the beach, the view opens up to reveal the full splendor of this hidden gem. While Santorini's beaches are undeniably captivating, the island offers a wealth of experiences beyond the sun-drenched shores. From indulging in the island's rich winemaking traditions to embarking on scenic hikes that reveal breathtaking vistas, there are countless ways to delve deeper into the heart of Santorini. So let's trade our beach towels for hiking boots and a sense of adventure as we uncover the unique experiences that await. Get ready to sip on award-winning wines amidst rolling vineyards. Challenge yourself on trails that wind through ancient landscapes and uncover the secrets of a lost civilization buried beneath volcanic ash. These experiences offer a different perspective on Santorini, revealing its hidden depths and captivating history. So, let's venture beyond the beaches and discover the soul of this extraordinary island. Our first stop takes us inland to the heart of Santorini's wine country. For centuries, the island's volcanic soil and unique climate have nurtured a rich tradition of winemaking.
Santorini's vineyards are unlike any other, with vines trained low to the ground in basket-like shapes to protect them from the strong winds. This ancient method of cultivation, known as cultura, has been passed down through generations of winemakers.
A visit to a local winery is a must-do experience in Santorini. Here you can sample a variety of indigenous grape varietals, including the crisp and refreshing Assyrtiko, the full-bodied Idani, and the sweet Vinsanto.
Many wineries offer tours and tastings, providing insights into the winemaking process and the history of Santorini's viticulture.
For those seeking adventure and breathtaking views, Santorini offers a network of scenic hiking trails. One of the most popular trails winds its way from Fira, the island's capital, to Oya, renowned for its iconic sunsets.
This trail follows the rim of the caldera, offering panoramic views of the volcanic crater and the Aegean Sea stretching out towards the horizon.
As you hike, you'll pass through traditional villages, vineyards, and ancient ruins, each step revealing a new facet of Santorini's beauty. The trail can be challenging in places, but the rewards are well worth the effort.
The sense of accomplishment you'll feel upon reaching Oya, coupled with the breathtaking sunset views, will create a memory to cherish.
Our final stop takes us back in time to the ancient Minoan civilization at the archaeological site of Akrotiri. Often referred to as the Pompeii of the Aegean, Akrotiri was a thriving port city buried beneath volcanic ash during a massive eruption in the 16th century BC. The site lay hidden for centuries until its rediscovery in the 1960s. Today, visitors can explore the remarkably well-preserved ruins of Akrotiri, walking through streets and entering houses frozen in time. The site offers a fascinating glimpse into the lives of the Minoans, their advanced urban planning, and their vibrant art and culture. The frescoes discovered at Akrotiri are particularly noteworthy, depicting scenes of daily life, nature, and mythology. As we delve deeper into the heart of Santorini, it's time to immerse ourselves in the island's vibrant culture. Beyond the breathtaking landscapes and historical wonders, it's the local people and their traditions that truly bring this island to life.
From the warmth of their hospitality to the richness of their heritage, the people of Santorini offer a glimpse into the authentic spirit of this Greek paradise.
So let's step off the beaten path and into the heart of Santorini's cultural tapestry. We'll engage with local artisans, savor the flavors of traditional cuisine, and witness the vibrancy of local festivals. These experiences will not only enrich our understanding of Santorini, but also create lasting memories that capture the essence of this extraordinary island. One of the best ways to experience the soul of Santorini is through its cuisine. The island's volcanic soil and unique microclimate produce ingredients bursting with flavor. From the freshest seafood to the tangy sweetness of sun-ripened tomatoes, Santorini's culinary scene is a celebration of the Aegean Sea and the island's agricultural bounty. Be sure to sample local specialties like fava, a creamy dip made from yellow split peas, and tomato keftadis, crispy fritters bursting with the flavor of sun-ripened tomatoes. And of course, no culinary journey through Santorini would be complete without indulging in the freshest catch of the day, grilled to perfection with a drizzle of local olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. Section 3. The Heart of Tradition Local Festivals. To truly immerse yourself in the spirit of Santorini, try to experience one of the island's vibrant festivals. Throughout the year, Santorini comes alive with celebrations that showcase the island's rich cultural heritage. From religious processions to lively music and dance performances, these festivals offer a glimpse into the heart and soul of Santorini's traditions. One of the most important festivals is the celebration of the Dormition of the Virgin Mary on August 15th. This religious holiday is celebrated with processions, traditional music, and delicious food, offering a glimpse into the island's deep-rooted faith and customs. Another highlight is the Santorini Jazz Festival, held annually in July, which brings together renowned jazz musicians from around the world for a series of unforgettable performances against the backdrop of the Aegean Sea. Section 4. Treasures of the Artisan. As you wander through the villages and towns of Santorini, be sure to seek out the work of local artisans. Santorini has a long tradition of craftsmanship, with skilled artisans creating unique and beautiful pieces that reflect the island's heritage and artistic spirit. From ceramics and textiles to jewelry and woodworking, you'll find a wide array of handmade treasures to take home as souvenirs of your Santorini adventure. Visit a pottery workshop in Emporio to discover the art of Santorini's distinctive black clay pottery, or head to Oya to browse the boutiques showcasing the work of local jewelry designers. These one-of-a-kind pieces not only make for unique souvenirs, but also support the island's local economy and preserve its artistic traditions. Section 1. Santorini awaits. So there you have it, a glimpse beyond the postcard-perfect images of Santorini. We've journeyed from the heights of ancient villages to the depths of hidden beaches, savoring the flavors of local cuisine and uncovering the secrets of a civilization lost to time. Santorini is an island of contrasts, where ancient history meets modern luxury, and where natural wonders blend seamlessly with the warmth of human connection. But beyond the iconic blue domes and mesmerizing sunsets, it's the hidden gems, the authentic experiences that truly capture the heart and soul of this Greek paradise. It's in the quiet moments, strolling through the cobblestone streets of a traditional village, the taste of freshly baked bread from a local bakery, or the laughter shared with new friends over a glass of Santorini wine. Section 2, Your Hidden Gem Adventure. I hope this journey has inspired you to look beyond the surface and uncover the hidden gems of Santorini. Whether you're seeking tranquility on a secluded beach, adventure on a scenic hiking trail, or a deeper connection with the island's culture and history, Santorini has something to offer every traveler. So start planning your Santorini adventure today and get ready to discover the magic that awaits beyond the beaten path. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our future travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels.